In this video, I want to introduce you to a very simple device that completely solves the problem of frost plugging up the top of drain stacks in very cold climates. Now, this is one of the units here, but before I go into detail, I want to show you the problem close up and how this solves it. This is a plumbing vent stack, and its purpose is to allow outdoor air back down into your drain system to replace the volumes of water that move out of your house when sinks, tubs, showers, and toilets drain. Without this venting action, none of the drains in your house will work properly. But problems can happen in cold climates when sufficient frost builds up at the top of the stack, plugging the opening and preventing that all-important inward movement of air. Arctic Vent HT is a tubular product that slips inside standard 3-inch vent stacks, eliminating the problem of frost-plugged vents. It has no moving parts, uses no electricity, and requires no tools for installation. It just slips down into the pipe. Arctic Vent HT has double metal walls with a special, highly convective gas in the space between inner and outer layers. This gas uses convection to move small amounts of heat from inside your home to the top of the stack, preventing frost buildup and ensuring proper and safe drain action. So come and take a closer look and you'll see a little bit about how it works. You'll see a seam here on both sides. Each semicircle of metal is its own sealed unit, so those convective gases don't get out. This one is 26 inches long, and then this one is 44 for those times when you can go deeper down into the vent stack without hitting an elbow or something. These two are meant to fit inside of 3-inch ABS roof vents. When it comes to installation, you're actually going to spend more time setting up the ladder than you are installing this thing, because there's really nothing to it. This is a 3-inch ABS pipe, typical drain stack material, and that's installation. It just fits right in. The inside of this plastic collar is tapered a little bit, so it grabs the pipe. It actually takes a little bit of a twist to take it out, but once that collar is on top like this, no matter how windy it is, that thing's not coming out. It's a set it and forget it kind of solution, and no matter how cold it is where you live, your drain stack's going to keep on working just fine, frost-free.